Oh shit, the fire department's here. This ain't good. I'm Pete Bennett, and you're watching Big Bennett TV.
These are my old lady sandals that PJ picked out. They're actually really comfortable though.
What are they called?
Jelly Pops. And then I picked out these ones, but I wanted black, but PJ liked the gold better, so I was like, you know what, if that's gonna make him happy, why not? Nice. Where'd you get them? DSW.
But yeah, it's raining out here pretty bad. That's why I wasn't able to make a video on, well, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Today, we might be able to have a video. There's gonna be fireworks.
Stop.
There's gonna be Trish being an idiot.
I am not an idiot. Listen to the stuff that PJ
No,
listens to.
I have to turn it off because I don't want to get copyrighted.
Hey, well, it's like weird shit.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
So everything's closed today. What do we got for supper?
We are gonna have some hot dogs, some hamburgers, we got some sausages, we got some corn, we got some potatoes, and we also got some mussels. That's what's for supper.
They say you are what you eat. Mussels. So we have to go and bring...
Tell PJ. PJ, listen to Krista.
Wait, hold on. Oh. I get... What did you want?
Tell him. That was a good cupcake. The cupcakes that I've been telling you that were delicious and you keep saying that they're disgusting. They're delicious. That was a good cupcake.
Yeah, they're big sugar eaters. That's why. Like, anybody who likes not sugar, then they're not good.
I think I'm gonna get a patin at Heinz. Do you want something?
They're not open.
It's Canada Day. I believe that they're open.
No, they're not.
Yeah.
Hey, don't text and drive.
I'm not texting and driving. Get out of here. I'm gonna phone and drive.
Okay. Well guys, we'll see you in a little bit. We're heading out. Everyone's heading out. Yep, we just picked up some goodies from Trisha's old workplace.
Yep.
The diner. Trish's been working at the diner for over 2 years now.
No, 7.
That's why I said over 2.
Yeah, but over 2 is like nothing.
What do you mean? Trish got hired there from high school on her OJT. OJT stands for on-the-job training.
That is not true.
Why?
Because you're lying.
What'd you get?
I got a poutine, I got some fries with some cheese and some gravy, and it's a poutine.
Yeah, she gets really excited when she gets poutines, but honestly, the ones from that place...
Don't you bash my poutines. My favorite place to get poutines.
What a terrible day though it is to have a Canada Day. It's raining, no one wants to stand outside or anything. It just doesn't look that good. Check this out guys, it's got onion rings, it's got coleslaw, these are called crinkle fries, loaded burger, and Trish got her favorite poutine.
Want some gravy?
Not right now, but I'll just dip my fries in the gravy after. But yeah, we're out front of my friend's place, and we didn't want to go in because it's, as you guys know, it's rude to eat in front of people. So we're not going in to eat. We're eating in the car, then we're gonna go in and hang out. Yep, they're setting up right now for the fireworks. They got everything in point, everything ready. People from around the world, and this is the world famous lobster shop.
Oh wow, people are already starting to go.
Yeah, they usually launch them out there on that water, and that's what the
Hey, Austin's car?
Yeah, Austin's here.
What the fuck?
Oh no, Trish, you're gonna have to find a different way to go now.
Home.
So we're just gonna go this way. Fireworks are starting soon. And if you're not from Canada and today's not the special day for you, maybe it's 4th of July. So that's in like 3 days. Hey, I was gonna ask you guys, do you like my footwear? They're called flip-flops or fish flops. I think they're cool, but not everybody does. So I had this barbecue from the other night ago, and seems like everything's working good, but I had it out in the rain, so a little wet. But I'm gonna put the coals on it, all that good stuff. These are really good coals. These are the best coals that you can get. I highly recommend these coals. These are the best coals ever. They're like log. Check them out. That's the coals. So we're gonna put those in.
Maybe you should get rid of that water.
It's fine. I'm just gonna lay it down with some paper, because we gotta have paper. And then now we got that layered, we're gonna layer it with these really nice chips. Like, look at all those.
Don't wanna complicate ya, complicate ya, complicate.
Some people put them in like a like a pyramid pattern and stuff. You don't need to do that. So this is pretty much all you need. So just light the corners. And see what happens. Also, I'm gonna put a little bit of lighter fluid on it, just to get it going.
Show them what kind. Or not.
Now I'm just like getting it like doused a little bit, so that
that's enough.
It stays lit. But yeah, guys, these are really good coals. You never want your coals to get wet. Ever. If you got wet coals, well, that's not good. But this is exactly what you want. You want it to be a flame like this, and you don't want to shut the lid on it because it's going to burn out. You want this to go out by itself. And the fact that these are log is all the better, staying nice and lit. I'm going to wait until this gets nice in the lid and everything. We're going to put some... I just loaded it up. I got the hamburgers. This is like, it's supposed to be an extra lean ground beef, but I think it's like fat, so it's like fat ground beef. These 4 sausages, these right here are Dagenharts, which is a European sausage. So those are going to be really good. And these ones are, this is my dad's frozen chicken burger. As you can see, it's pretty wet out here. I mean, you can see that it's soaked. Even the frying pan we use is just full of water. But our tarp garage, well, you guys saw me install it. That's holding up really good. It lasted a whole winter, so that's good. And this barbecue has been holding up too. It lasted so far a winter, and I didn't store this inside. This has been left out. The only thing that's got some rust on the bolts, but everything else is pretty good. And I think it was like 50 bucks, which was a really good deal. So, and the charcoal is cheaper than propane, so you should definitely get charcoal if you're getting a stove. Pops, you're hiding out on us. What do you got in here? Fries, eh?
Fries, it is.
Are those Cavendish?
Cavendish fries.
I walk away for a couple minutes and my dad's burning my friggin' Dagenhart. Is that even cooked all the way?
I don't know.
He's burning my Dagenhart sausages. Whoa, I just saw that squirting out juice.
Yeah, you didn't prick it.
Well, maybe this one. Yeah, maybe that one should be put back on there just for a little bit. But the burgers don't look good. And how's your turkey sausage?
Hiding.
But the coals, this is cooking up good.
Look at this water in there.
What?
Look at all the water.
Yeah, that's all grease from the burgers.
You get greasy burgers.
Trish, you had one job.
That was your job.
No, it wasn't. It was yours.
Who
Yeah.
puts the burgers on the barbecue is the person who is in charge of cooking them.
Alright, whatever you say. I hope these are cut through, like... Pops, can you cut through these sausages and see if they're cooked? We got this sauce right here. I highly recommend this. Olive Garden dressing. That's like the best stuff you can use, but Trish like uses way too much sauce.
Is that cooked?
I'd say so, yeah. What do you think?
I don't know.
Or would you put them back on there?
Put them back on there. Maybe just on the back one though.
Why? Have you seen it, or are you just saying that?
Better check it out. Better check it out.
Check this out though, Pops.
Can't see.
Well, come see now. It's in the light.
Does that look right?
It's a little pink.
A little pink. It needs to be a little darker.
So this is our famous burger. It's like three fingers wide. So we got more beef. We're gonna make more patties because that's downright pathetic. But this is gonna be so good. This has got the enriched.
Is that good or you want it bigger?
Yeah, I'd say that's like what they serve at McDonald's.
Or you want it bigger?
No, that's a good size. Cause whatever we don't eat, we'll just throw it out. How's it coming out there, Pops?
We're gonna have more burgers.
You know what?
Have more burgers. I'm just gonna add this to that, right? Just a little bit.
Yep, do whatever you want to do.
Well, I don't want you guys complaining saying my burgers are too small.
Well, this is like...
That was you.
Want to put those on a plate? You got a plate?
Are they ready?
I would think so. These are sausages.
And these up here are vegan sausages.
Yeah, okay. This got a bird. These are done.
Really?
Yep.
Alright. I'll go got the ketchup on. And I got it stacked. Like that high because the burgers aren't that small. So you take this bun and then you just, when you put it on, you just squat it. Right, Pops? That's how you do it. You hurt yourself?
That sausage is yours.
Yeah, I know. And then I realized I don't have any sausage buns or some sauerkraut, but whatever. Gonna have a nice bowl of salad though. That'll be delish. Delicious. So good. So good. And then I got my dented can of Crush. That's okay. If you're in the States, it's probably called like Sunkist. Yeah, Sunkist. So we're leaving the house. We gotta walk down to the waterfront because, well, I'm not bringing the car because there's gonna be absolutely no parking. So I'm going to just walk down there with Trish. I'm gonna catch these fireworks. They're supposed to be going on in like, oh geez, I'd say about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna get down there. It started up now, guys. It's like daylight. Hey Trish? It's like daylight. I mean, honestly, I tried to get over at the other side there. I guess, yeah, they're shooting these off the road this time, which is kind of crazy because, yeah, usually they shoot them like out of the water. I mean, they're good fireworks. Really good, and they're like right under it too. Like any debris will get right in our eyes. Trish is here having a really good time. And also, they got the band. Yeah, over there. There's a band over there. I tried walking to get there. Wasn't able to. but I'm gonna just let you guys enjoy this, and I'm gonna speed it up. So many people are trying to get through here. Don't know why. Like, there's no way to get through here, idiots. Well, that was it. Now you can hear the chants. Everyone's really happy. Everyone's leaving, I guess. You got the cars going. Great turnout. Trish, what'd you think?
It was really good.
Was it better than Moncton?
Absolutely.
And why?
More fireworks, better fireworks.
More fireworks, better fireworks.
Yeah.
Perfect. So yeah, everyone's heading out. Pretty much. They're getting their horns beeped. Horns are beeped. Traffic is going. And I gotta head out of here. Trish, let's go this way. It's a lot quicker. I appreciate you guys coming along with me, having a good time, eating some great barbecue, chilling here with Trish. I am heading to California in the next month.
No, we're leaving in 8 days.
8 days. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.